What's up, guys? Check out this Aotto portable oven. So this is a portable oven that you can use to reheat your food when you're on the go, especially if you're, working in your car a lot, or you have to go and travel places for work, or you just like to have something to heat up your food when you're on the go. So this is what the portable oven looks like. It's kind of like a hot plate. It comes in this nice thermo regulated lunch box, which is nice. So you could actually just use this as a lunch box as well. And this is what the oven looks like. So this oven is really cool because it has automatic temperature control. So your food will get hot and stay hot without overcooking. So you could just keep your food warm when you need to. And you plug it into a carport. So we're gonna just plug it in here. So just plug it in. You can see the red light comes on. That's how you know it's on. And we're gonna let it heat up. I'm just gonna set it here. Actually, I'll set it on this box so you guys can see it better. And then you can set your food on there. It says that you can have glass containers, stainless steel containers, ceramic, even plastic, foil, and cardboard. I'd be careful with the plastic, even though it says it's compatible, just because typically melt with heat, but it says it's compatible, so it should work. All right, so we have some food right here. We have some beans in a glass container. We're just gonna set that on our portable up and let it sit there and heat up. This might take a while, so we'll come back to you guys when it's nice and hot. What's up, guys? It's been like a minute since I put this thing on here. I thought it would take longer, but it's already getting hot. So this thing does work, and it works quickly, which is nice. So you could heat up your food when you need it. Especially if you only have like a 30-minute lunch break or something, this thing could actually heat up your food in time so that you could still eat and enjoy your meal.